Hello everybody, thanks for watching. Today I just wanted to give you a brief show of what it's like to manually deburr CNC cut parts. And so a lot of times you hear about this being an added expense when you have to go in and actually manually deburr these parts. And sometimes, you're making a couple of thousand of these little parts and they come off of the bar, and the last operation that's done is the parting tool blade goes in there and cuts the piece off. And that leaves this sharp little edge. Let me put this into focus for you. See if you can see that little ring there on the end. Now on this side, the CNC was able to go in there and nick off all the sharp edges with the boring bar. But once it was parted off, it wasn't held in there anymore. You get this sharp edge. Now it's critical on these parts that there's no sharp edges and that these can go over a shaft nice and smooth. So we have hundreds of parts. In fact, I've already counted these. This is what 300 parts looks like. And this is what it's like to have to go through and manually deburr a couple thousand parts, and why it's so expensive to do it. So that was 4 parts. You can look back at the time and see how long that took. And all we've done is go in there and cut that little edge off so that they can be cleaned up, counted, and sold. Thanks for watching.